Hi everyone, welcome back to another day in the life of DevRel. I'm going to continue doing what I did previously with ChatGPT, but this time I'm going to be translating the same script from JavaScript to Java. So in the previous one I was doing JavaScript to Golang. This time I'm going to be doing JavaScript to Java instead. And it'll be pretty much following the same process. So what I would like to do is reuse some of what was used previously in ChatGPT, right? Just continuing this conversation. And I would also like it to continue learning what I did, as in use the same context basically. So let's see if sometimes ChatGPT says I can't find a chat and all that if the duration of time is a bit too long in between, but hopefully that isn't the case today. All right, so Alright, so before I provide it with the JavaScript file, I'm going to do the same thing as before. I'm going to give it some context and I'm going to fence ChatGPT and saying, okay, this is the part that I would like you to play in. So I am going to close all the other files now, open up this one, and just minimize everything else. So in Java Hello World, I've only got HFS at the moment. So I'm going to cd cd Java Hello World ls. Alright, so what was it? O2-HSCS-smart contract-SDK. And inside of that, what I would like to do is create this structure. And I need to do dir-p because Java needs a whole hierarchy of subdirectories before you can get to it. HSCS smart contract. And then touch/script HSCS smart contract .java. Oops. Right, I'm going to make sure that that's actually called .java. There we go. And I would like to cp:/o1 hfs files.env to this current directory cp:/build.gradle. And I would also like the gitignore file. Let's actually see what's in the gitignore file. Okay, I don't need that one. But I am going to do touch.gitignore for now, so I at least have an empty file. So now I have these files and I have that. So under build.gradle, it's going to be hscs smart contract to match the folder name, and then to match the class name, just hscs smart contract, and have all of this be the same. And then I'm going to open up this file, and let's see, for the HFS file, I just want the basic setup until I get the client, this, and then so this is the part where I'm going to tell ChatGPT, hey, here's the part that you got to do, and then at the end, I'm going to do client.close over here, and then close the main function, and then finish the class. Alright, so that should do it. I'm just going to, okay, so this needs to match HSCS smart contract, and that should do it. Okay, that's just a spell check. Okay, so let's do Gradle build. Okay, and Gradle run. HSCS smart contract is in build.gradle, and forgot to rename the class. Okay, so that ran something. Actually, let me just do a what was it? Right, I would print an account ID. Just to make sure that it's actually running. Okay, so I've got an account ID.